Welcome, and thank you for joining me today at our Sabetha facility here in Sabetha, Kansas. My name is Rick Moroski. I am the Chief Operating Officer of Americas within Schenck Process, and also joining me today is Dwight Edelman, who is our Executive Director of Operations. In fact, the site has been here for over 52 years, and we encompass 170,000 square feet, of which 90,000 square feet are dedicated just to manufacturing and is supported by 300 team members. One of the key features of our Sabetha facility is the fact that we are a complete vertically integrated manufacturing center. Now what that means is we do everything from raw material processing all the way through final assembly. It encompasses machining, it could be brake, it could be laser cutting, maybe rolling. A lot of welding is involved in our processes, assembly, and then final paint and shipping. It also encompasses our design process on the front end to meet our customer specifications.
Hi, I'm Dwight Edelman. I'm the Executive Director of Operations here in the Sabetha facility. Been here for 38 years. What makes this facility unique is the ability to be very vertically integrated with our equipment and our process flow. The entire process is really built around being able to be flexible. The reason why we like to be very flexible is customers are constantly making changes in their process. They may change when they need it, they may change how it's designed last minute, and we have to be able to stop that product and be able to integrate those changes into that very quickly and keep that product flowing through the process.
When I think about Sabetha's performance, I think of two words, stable and predictable. And those two words are evident in our key process indicators, such as safety, 0 lost time recordables in the past 12 months. On-time delivery performance, 98% on time to our customers. And when you consider the state of the world today and the challenges of our supply chain, that's impressive. Inventory, incrementally improved inventory turns over the past 9 months, while adding inventory to ensure we have plenty of stock to support our customers' demand. And then finally, productivity. In the past year, we have improved our productivity by over 10%.
By going through our lean and our technology improvement, it has really allowed us to really focus on productivity improvements, quality improvements, safety improvements, and control our costs, which at the end of the day, it drives revenue and profitability for the business.
You may be thinking, how is it possible for you to achieve stable and predictable in today's market? And for us, it's come down to two specific initiatives. The first one is our SIOP process, and SIOP is your sales, inventory, and operating planning. It takes all of your demand, all of your inventories, and all of your capacity and balances that out. So therefore you have a baseline from which to work for and anticipate the growth. But you may say, well, Rick, how are you able to get resources? How are you able to facilitate that growth when no one else is able to do so? And that comes into our second initiative, creation of a model that enables you flexibility with surge capacity, and that was through the development of strategic supplier relationships. Those relationships are critical to us because it gives us that flex capacity we need to balance out the demand coming in by sales. When I think about our culture here in Sabetha and our differential advantage, one thing comes to mind clearly. It's our team. Their willingness to accept any challenge, their willingness to find ways to grow, their ability to be agile in changing markets, no matter how difficult that may be. But while doing all of that, they continually find ways to raise the bar and find ways to improve our overall process. This is how we maintain stability as well as predictability. This is how we produce high quality products to our customer on time at the right price. On behalf of our team, myself, and our organization, I want to personally thank you for reviewing our Sabetha facility and our capabilities.